I'm Priyadashni. Today we are going to see raw banana fry using Navigeno. Come, let's get started. I've taken one raw banana, add chili powder, salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix well and marinate for at least minimum of 15 minutes. So now we have mixed everything. Let it sit for another 15 minutes and then we can roast it using our Navigeno. Now we'll start roasting our raw banana fry. So I'm taking Navigeno. I've taken roaster, 24 centimeter roaster. I'm going to heat the pot, the roasting window at the highest level of level 6 in our Navigeno. So you can see I've connected my phone as well. Now switch off the audio thumb. Switch off the Navigeno. Place the lid inverted. Place the unit on top of it. Brush some oil. Now place the raw banana. Now place the Navigeno on top of our unit. Set the audio thumb in the baking window for about 10 minutes and the highest level of level 2. You can see I have connected my phone as well. So after 10 minutes our raw banana fry will be ready. Now you can see our cooking is done. So switch off the Navigeno. Switch off the audio thumb. Now you can see our raw banana fry is ready.